In this video, we will show you how to replace your rear liftgate support set on this Lincoln Navigator. These will be located on your body of your vehicle at the liftgate. Alright friends, let's get started on our job. The first thing that I need to mention is that these hold up the entire weight of the liftgate. So as you remove one, only the other side will be holding it up. It's a good idea to have somebody helping you hold it in place. To remove these, it's very simple, using a small pocket screwdriver. Carefully make your way in between the support and the little clip here and gently separate it. Once you have that separated, remove it from the liftgate. Now we can do the same thing over here. Get in between the clip and the support, gently separate this and pull it off. There it is, friends. All right, let's prepare for the installation of our brand new liftgate support. Let's start by putting it in place on the liftgate. Line it up, press it in. Give it a wiggle to make sure it's secured. Make your way down over to the body. Now we can align this and slide it into place as well. Give it a wiggle to make sure it's completely secured. As I had mentioned at the beginning of the video, the process will be the exact same thing for either side of the vehicle. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.